Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Deep Driving. Today I want to chat a little bit about customer service. So I'm at a red light, so obviously I'm not I can look at the camera, but 3 weeks ago my merchant account company took out over $500 from an account that they weren't supposed to. Then they blamed me for the mistake, and 3 weeks later it was found after hours on the phone that it was their mistake. And their expectation of customer service is telling me I'm sorry and it won't happen again. That doesn't work. I don't understand why we as a society have become people that when we hear the two words I'm sorry and some sort of sad face or sad like that we hear on the phone or in front of us, that we think that's okay. I'm sorry's in my world have no power whatsoever. They're just two words with absolutely no action. When I have a 3-year-old that does a behavior that I don't approve of and then says I'm sorry, they've learned that I'm sorry lets them get away with everything. That I'm sorry is just as valuable as when you get pulled over and you tell the police officer, I'm sorry. You're not sorry you were speeding. You're not sorry that you rolled through that light. You're sorry that you got caught. So in the world of customer service, if I'm teaching a yogarati class and I miss taking a child to my class, me just compensating that parent the $15 for the class no way helps out the parent feel better, no way helps out the child feel better. My customer service is if I miss taking a child, what I'll do is the next week they'll be my helper, and also I compensate the parent 4 classes. I will send them $60 just so it's an over-the-top I don't even know what the word is, an over-the-top way for me to apologize by taking action so it benefits them as opposed to just an I'm sorry. So in the world of customer service, by the way, how the merchant thing ended up, by the time I got done speaking to 3 managers, I was compensated $200 for my time, but I wasn't going to be compensated that before because they weren't going to be okay with the I'm sorry. So from this point on, if somebody wrongs you, if somebody does something to you that is not supposed to happen in business or in life, don't take the I'm sorry garbage. Ask them, what action are you going to take to show me that you're sorry? Or what action are you going to take to make me feel better and to trust you that this won't happen again? Garbage. Get rid of the I'm sorries. Don't take those anymore. Be powerful. Have an amazing day. I'm sorry if it was shaking too much. Just kidding, not sorry.